Let's say that you have something very heavy to hang from a wall. It could be a cabinet, a shelf, certain TVs, or heavy artwork in the form of a custom sign created by Bob's Workshop. A French cleat is a great solution to any of these wall-hanging dilemmas. If you have a table saw or even a circular saw, you can make a French cleat cheaply and easily in a very short time. Starting with a wider board is ideal. For a heavy sign like mine, I'll begin with a piece of pine ripped down to about 5 inches wide. Next, I'll adjust my saw blade to a 45-degree angle and move the rip fence to create 2 equal cleats. Find the center of one cleat and the center on the back of your object. In my case, these 2 pieces will be permanently attached to each other with construction adhesive. Apply with a caulking gun, press together, and then pull apart. Exposing the adhesive to air for a few minutes will help it set better and form a stronger bond. Measuring a second time and applying weights will hold it in place until everything is dry. My sign will be up high in the middle of the wall. I found the halfway point between the corners. Luckily, there are 2x4 studs just about equidistant from the center. Pre-drilling the holes in the wall cleat with the 3-inch wood screws make installation much easier. Check several times to make sure it's level. Because the cleats are wider boards, there is some room for adjustment side to side, but raising or lowering the object requires moving the wall cleat up or down. It's a good idea to measure twice.